This cookie is good. This cookie is better. This cookie is the best. This pile has little. This pile has less. This pile has the least. This pile has many. This pile has more. This pile has the most. This cupcake is good. This cupcake is better. This cupcake is the best. This balloon is good. This balloon is worse. This balloon is the worst. This teddy bear is old. This teddy bear is older. This teddy bear is the oldest. This airplane can fly far. This airplane can fly farther. This airplane can fly the farthest. This train is late. This train is later. This train is the latest. This apple is small. This apple is smaller. This apple is the smallest. This tower is tall. This tower is taller. This tower is the tallest. This book is heavy. This book is heavier. This book is the heaviest. This ribbon is long. This ribbon is longer. This ribbon is the longest. This pencil is short. This pencil is shorter. This pencil is the shortest. This car is fast. This car is faster. This car is the fastest. This plate is wide. This plate is wider. This plate is the widest. This ball is big. This ball is bigger. This ball is the biggest. This box is small. This box is smaller. This box is the smallest. This star is bright. This star is brighter. This star is the brightest. This drum is loud. This drum is louder. This drum is the loudest.